Hey guys, on this video I want to take a look at this Kipo LED desk lamp. It's got the ability to switch between 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, and it's black. This lamp has a gooseneck, meaning that you can place it in any direction or shape that you desire, and it's going to maintain its position. Stay tuned for the whole video. These lamps are great for students, and we have a rental that we are in right now, and we of course rent it furnished. So this room is where we're going to put our lamp. This is the old school lamp, and now we're going to replace it with this one. So let's take this out of the plastic. This lamp has a gooseneck, meaning that you can place it in any direction or shape that you desire, and it's going to maintain its position. The base has a very large opening, whereas you can attach this to pretty much any table or desk you have. We are going to place it right over here, and we're going to tighten it up. To plug it in, they provided you with this very small little adapter. Let's plug it in. The base rotates 360 degrees as well, so you can hide the wire very easily and adjust the lamp any way you wish. Now don't worry about damaging the underside of your table or your desk. There is a rubber right about here, so you can feel free to tighten it up until it's solid. It does come out quite a lot, as you can see. It is 12 volt LED, which equals to about 60-65 regular watts. The buttons are located at the top. You have one touch off, and you can see how dark it is in this room. So the light definitely brightens up the whole space. Let's check out the dimness level. So this is the lowest dimness. It's nice and subtle. And then now let's increase the brightness. There are 3 levels of brightness. And there it is. Let's change the color temperature. This lamp goes from 2700 all the way to 6500 Kelvin. And then you press this to circle through them. So this is 6500 Kelvin. And this is 2700 Kelvin. Absolutely amazing lamp, considering you can do this with it. Anything, any shape that you desire, you can bend this lamp because it's got a gooseneck, and therefore you don't have to worry about where the position of the lamp is. It features a tabletop screw-on base mount that will mount on any table surface up to 4 inches in height. Here are the specifications for the light, and I really couldn't be happier. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.